Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Canva Pro subscription. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on the settings cog on the top right hand side. Then you should see underneath payments and plans, billing, so you want to click on that. And once you're on here, underneath Canva Pro, you should see 3 dots on the right hand side, so you want to tap on that. Then it should bring up cancel plan, so you want to click on that and then just select continue cancellation. Then it'll ask you for a reason, so you can put anything you want in there obviously. Then just select continue cancellation again, and then obviously you can put in why you're cancelling again on there, and then all you have to do is select cancel subscription, and that will cancel your Canva Pro subscription. Thanks for watching.